Hi, this is Atif and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, stocks, forex and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video of Bitcoin US dollar, I posted that the Bitcoin was forming, even the Bitcoin has formed a bullish butterfly pattern on this 4-day chart, and this was my post. And on this idea, you can see the price action entered in the potential reversal zone after the completing the formation of this bullish butterfly pattern. I've also placed a volume profile on the complete price action of this pattern, and you can see the volume profile is showing that the trader's interest is really very weak within this potential reversal zone. We had also a 200 moving average support within this potential reversal zone and 100 simple moving average support below this potential reversal zone area. The MACD was strong bearish and the stochastic was also in bear cross. So therefore I suggested that we should wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish from this strong bearish mode, or we can wait for the stochastic to give us the bull cross and then we should take the long position or buy. And I also suggested that this potential reversal zone area should be our stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone or PRZ area. I posted this chart on 28th of September, and after playing the idea, you can see the price action is completely entered in the potential reversal zone and still moving within this PRZ area. Okay, this trade is still in process. In the meanwhile, the Bitcoin US dollar is giving us other trading chances, other long opportunities on smaller time period charts. For example, now the Bitcoin has formed a bullish shark pattern on this the 6-hour chart. And you can see after initial X to A leg, the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci as required for the shark pattern. And the B to C leg is retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci as required for the B to C leg of shark. And C to D, the final leg, is retraced between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci and entered in the potential reversal zone. I've also placed the volume profile on this complete pattern, and you can see the volume profile is showing that the trader's interest is very weak within this potential reversal zone. RSI is already in oversold zone and stochastic is in bear cross. So for a secure trade, we can wait for the stochastic to give bull cross and then we can take the long position or buy. And on this chart, this potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone, then we should take exit from the trade. I'm also sharing the link of Tradingview in the video's description. So you can find my charts on Tradingview because I am posting all my charts on the tradingview.com, and when you will click on the link, you will be on the Tradingview site, and after log on to that site, you just need to select the people option from here and write in the search box moon333, which is my username, and you can click on this link. Then you can find my all charts here through this link. If you don't have account on Binance exchange for crypto trading, then I would suggest you to create the account on Binance. For that, I'm also sharing the link in the video's description. You can just click on that link and create your account on Binance exchange, and you can start your crypto trading there. Because the Binance is the exchange which has the largest volume of every cryptocurrency. Now let me to show you the buying and sell targets for my current trade, and this is my 4-hour Bitcoin US dollar chart. I've published 4 hours ago, and you can see this is my buying range and these are the sell targets. So this will be another very good long opportunity. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you like the video, then do hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.